Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to install add-in in Exchange Online. Add-ins are software that you can install in a platform or in a software to achieve a particular task or to make achievement of some task in that software easy. Okay? For example, now you can download an add-in maybe that will help you to unsubscribe to some mails that you don't want to be receiving. Alright, some mail addresses, email addresses you don't want to be receiving messages from. You can block it, okay, through an add-in installed on that platform. Alright. A website design, there are so many add-ins that can still help you to maybe to choose a better font for your website and the rest. But here we are talking about add-ins in Exchange Online. So the first step is to open your browser. Click on your browser and get it opened. This is a new tab. So I want to access the Exchange Admin Center of Microsoft 365. So this is I have bookmarked it already on my browser. So but the link is admin.exchange.microsoft.com. So you can do that on your own. Just access the link and then sign in. So I'll click on that, so I'll bookmark it for the page to open. Alright, it's about opening. Okay, here we are on the Exchange Admin Center. You can see the name here. So the next step you need to take is to scroll down to organization. You can see organization as one of the major tabs. So click on this tab, then select the option for add-ins and wait for the page to open fully. So okay. So these are the add-ins that are already installed on this Exchange. That is action items, big maps, my templates, suggested meetings, and unsubscribe. Okay, but here I'm assuming that you want to install a new add-in on your own. So the next step you need to take is to click on this plus sign. Then you are provided with some options: add from app source, add from URL, and add from file. Here let's go with the first option so that we'll be taken to the store where we can source for any add-in we need. So click on that and then hold on for the page to open fully. Okay, we are now in the app source page of Microsoft. So here there are a list of add-ins we can get from here. This one is hot spot sales, and they say additional purchase may be required. That means that it may not be free. So we have this option, zoom for Outlook. So let's look for the one that is free and probably developed by Microsoft, since since Exchange is owned by Microsoft. I think it will be better that way. Okay, this is free and this is free too. Okay, so this is not developed by this one is developed by Microsoft. So let's scroll down to see if we can see. Okay, report phishing. Okay, and it's free too, so we are in a good place now. So let's assume I want to install this report phishing add-in in my Exchange Admin Center or my Exchange Online, whichever way. So click on get it now. Okay, it says you should confirm your details. All right, this is my Exchange administrator email, okay, as the administrator. So this is just to give us idea of that we are agreeing with some rule and the rest and some conditions. we know. So the next step you need to take is click on Get It Now. Click on that same button. So I'll hold on for this add-in to be installed in our Microsoft 365. You can see that it says taking you to Microsoft 365 to complete the process. So this automatically will take you to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Okay, all right. So here we are. Look at the options he gives of the reports phishing. He said, is this a test deployment? So if we are just using this for a test, maybe we don't want it to be fully installed on Microsoft 365 or Exchange Admin Center, we can toggle this on. But no, I want to use it on my portal, so I will leave it this way. Then he said assign users. I want every user created in this organization to make use of this add-in. So once it's installed, they can access that through Outlook. So whenever they log into Outlook, they can make use of this add-in. So click on the option entire organization. Okay, we have just me, we have entire organization, have specific user or groups. Here I want all the users with mailboxes in this organization to access this add-in, to use it on their Outlook. So the next step is to click on next. Okay, now it said accept permission request, blah blah blah, a lot of stories and the rest. So we said next. Okay, the next we have, this is the finishing stage. The next step to take is finish deployment. So this will take few seconds, and you can see users ticked good, deployment ticked good. So the next step is click on done. So let's see if this add-in is available in this Microsoft 365 Admin Center. You can see that. Look at what we just installed. Report phishing. Okay, so that means that the installation was successful or is successful. So with this development now, anytime any user of this organization logs into his email or her email through Outlook, this add-in that we just installed now will be active on that platform, and as well as an administrator, it will be active on my admin center, Exchange Admin Center. So I hope this video helps. These are just the few steps you need to take to install add-ins in Exchange Online. Please do well to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button, like this video, and still leave comments, because this will help promote my channel. See you some other time.